Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Priya. Today we will learn Konkani language lesson 2. Introduce family members simple and easy way. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please like, share and subscribe. Today is day 2. Let's start today's lesson. Family members. Family kutam kutam. Father bapoy bapoy. Mother awoy awoy. Brother bhav bhav. Sister boin boin. Grandmother mai mai. Grandfather abha abha. Son put put. Daughter dhu dhu. Husband go go. Wife bail bail. Baby burge burge. Elder brother dattu dattu. Elder sister bye bye. Younger brother bhav bhav. Younger sister boin boin. Men dadlo dadlo. Women stri stri. Boy chedo chedo. Girl chedu chedu. Uncle bappu bappu. Aunt maushi maushi. Me how how. Introducing family. This is my father, homoso papoy homoso papoy. This is my mother, himuji awoy himuji awoy. I have a one brother, maka ek bhau asa maka ek bhau asa. I have a one sister, maka ek boin asa maka ek boin asa. We are happy family, आमचे भरे कुटुंब आमचे भरे कुटुंब. Practice sentences. My father name is म्हज्या बापायचे नाव. My mother name is म्हज्या आवयचे नाव. I love my family. हांव म्हज्या कुटुंबाचो मोग करता. My brother is studying. म्हजो भाव शिकवून आसा. My sister is studying. म्हजी भयण शिकवून आसा. Repeat after me. Father बापोय. Mother आवय. भाव brother. Sister भयण. Family कुटुंब. Homework. Introduce your family members in 3 sentences. Write your homework answers in comment section. That's all for today's lesson. Great job learning with me today. Practice these words and sentences every day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learn with Priya. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye.